So you can't come on social media expecting to make money right away. You have to build trust. You have to build your platform. You have to build a community. So here is the advice that I would give anyone who is looking to become a creator today. If you're a person that's looking to become a creator like as soon as possible, the most important piece of advice I would give you is to actually focus on building a following before you focus on generating an income or making money off of being an influencer. A lot of people come on social media to make money, like specifically to make money, specifically to start a side hustle. But that is where a lot of people go wrong. And most people who come in looking to make money will fail because social media is not a get rich scheme. So I've been doing social media. I started out as a beauty influencer 9 years ago. So I've been doing social media for a total of 9 years. I just started doing educational YouTube videos for 2 years, which has played a major part in my growth because I started providing value. As a beauty influencer, yes, I used to make a lot of money off of like beauty campaigns and working with brands. And yeah, I got a lot of free makeup and PR. The whole goal of being on social media is to impact people. It's to help people, is to provide value. Yeah, you can provide value in the form of makeup tutorials or showing people how to do makeup and doing demonstrations and things like that. Yes, that is considered providing value. Doing funny memes and stuff like that. Yes, that is value. It's entertainment. Like we come on the internet to be entertained. So yes, that is technically providing value. So you can't come on social media expecting to make money right away. You have to build trust. You have to build your platform. You have to build a community. People are not going to trust you when you first start out. People are not going to watch you when you first start out. As you become experienced in your niche or whatever type of value you're providing, then people will start to trust you. So don't come on social media thinking that my 9 years is going to look like your 1 month or your 1 year. That's just not possible. Like I've put in a lot of work into social media. A lot of people look at me and they say, oh, I want to do what she does. But you guys are not realizing how much work and how many years I have put into to get where I am now. So the second thing you guys should focus on as a creator when you're just starting out is to actually build up your platform. And this is built up as in content. So you're going to grow your following, but you can only grow your following if you build up your content and be consistent at whatever type of content that you are trying to post. Remember, providing value is always key. Third tip is going to be you guys have to engage with your followers. You have to reply back to your comments. You have to like your followers' posts. This is the whole way of creating a community because a community is not just one-sided. It's like you guys are together. So you have to support the people in your community just like they support you. So the fourth tip I would like to say would be to collaborate with other influencers and people in your niche, but that is not always the case because a lot of people are to themselves, especially if they are already successful. They're to themselves. Like a lot of people are to themselves. I know that because I see a lot of people say, oh, collaborate, but it's not always as easy as they make it seem because I am a person who reach out to other influencers and creators to collaborate with that are on my level or higher than me. And chances are they don't respond, which is weird because I'm the type of person, like if somebody's in my niche are on my level or even a little bit below me, I would definitely be willing to collaborate with people, but not everybody is, I guess, as open-minded as I am. I don't know. People are to themselves. So I can understand the whole collaboration thing. You might reach out to influencers and they won't always reply, but I would definitely say to still put the effort in, and I wish you guys luck on doing that. The video is going to be super short and sweet. This is just a random video because I started posting on Saturdays and Wednesdays, so this is going to be Wednesday's video. I wanted to come on here and give you guys a little bit of advice as a beginner if you're coming into the influencer career lifestyle thingy. So this video would be great for you guys to keep in mind. Just don't come into this expecting to get paid right away because it doesn't happen like that. You have to put the work in, you have to grow, and you have to expand. You have to get comfortable with like being your authentic self. You have to get comfortable with being on the camera, and this is all a process and it takes a while. So I hope this video helps you guys determine whether or not being an influencer is something that you're actually interested in. So yeah, I swear, I get this question a lot. So I just wanted to make this a really quick video. So that is going to complete this video. Be sure to like this video. If you guys like, I always say, if you guys like these type of videos, make sure that you like this video, you share it with someone, because this is going to help me to know if you guys find this video helpful. I'm here to help and serve you guys. So liking it, sharing it, subscribing helps me to know whether or not you guys want more of this type of content. So that's going to be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace and much love. Bye, guys.